Hurts. Yes, we here. Okay, YouTube. Um, this is gonna be our first conversation about how to be a YouTuber. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna be um adding people on since it's our first live. I'm gonna try to make it short and sweet so that way you guys can actually see what am I talking about it, okay? But I'm gonna try to be fast, short, and sweet. It's gonna be 1 hour long, okay? The life is gonna be 1 hour long, and it's gonna have different points, all right, important points, and we're gonna be talking about how you can break that down and how you can actually start your YouTube career so to the point that you can be able to make money, okay? It's gonna be easy because I'm gonna have my other phone right here with me so that I can actually cross phone, okay? So I'm gonna cross pass the information by showing you straight up like how you're gonna start with your application, okay? First thing first, before we start this conversation, okay, it's not gonna happen if you don't have the first application, which is right here. This is called YouTube Studio, okay? You wanna go to your application if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android. You wanna go and then you wanna download this app right here. It's called YouTube Studios, okay? So that way you can start counting your numbers, okay? Like I repeat, you gotta go to YouTube Studio and you start with this YouTube Studio. Click on your name, see how many accounts you have. As soon as you find the account that is a little bit more advanced, then you're gonna go this this live is basically to show you how you're going to make money on YouTube. Okay, my people. My name is Dr. Kizomba. I'm a dancer, but also I've been a swimmer all my life. I did a lot of stuff on the background. I'm also a gamer. I also play video games, online, and I travel for workshops, and that's most of my common job. Okay, I became a YouTuber. Why? Because remember when Corona was really tough, okay? So a lot of jobs were not really opening, so we were really scared. So I saw an interview of people on YouTube that basically they got their first 100,000 subscribers, and I was like, how do you do that, right? So this is the topic of today, okay? How to become a YouTuber. And then tomorrow we're gonna give you with another topic, but today is very important because that's basically the number one topic. Everybody's talking about that right now because your finances are just gonna be from now and better, okay? Now here's the deal. You go and you download the app. First one, you go and you download the app YouTube Studios, okay? When you get to this app, okay, to YouTube Studios, let me show you a page that I'm actually continue. I'm doing my mom a page, okay? If you guys want to follow, that's fine. That's called Mama Edit. That's my last page. I got 5 pages right now, okay? That's my last page. So basically, when you're gonna go to this app, it's gonna show you something like this, okay? This is the information. But to make things work, you wanna click right here on the money, all right? When you click on the money, see this green stuff that I'm showing you right here? Okay, this green stuff that I'm showing you right here, that's what we're gonna talk about, okay? So the first one, the first green stuff, this is basically to make you eligible. You have to have 4,000 hours, okay? 4,000 hours. I repeat, we're already on 4 minutes. This life's not gonna go too long, but we're gonna give you the scoop. 4,000 hours of people watching you. Okay, what that means? Okay, that means that you have videos, okay, you have shorts, okay, and then you have lives. Okay, now whatever you do from your videos, from your shorts, and from your lives, okay, you need to complete 4,000 hours. People come and they watch your stuff. Don't worry, don't get disappointed. 4,000 is not that much when you think about work, okay? Now, the investment is $0, guys. The investments is $0, meaning you don't pay anything on YouTube. You don't pay anything on YouTube. However, you also have the 1,000 subscribers. You gotta complete 1,000 subscribers in order to become a YouTube partner. What does the YouTube partner give you right now? Okay, the YouTube partner give you, oh, I'm a YouTube partner. What is a YouTube partner? Basically, it gives you, allows you to actually get memberships on your YouTube page. What's memberships? Okay, memberships on your YouTube page is basically people, your friends, people that you already know. They come, okay, and they subscribe to your YouTube account. So that money already is yours. YouTube, of course, is gonna take a cut because that's their platform, right? But how many memberships you have, that's still your money. So you're gonna be Gucci, you're gonna be okay because those are actually your members, right? And then the next one that you're gonna be allowed is to have like super likes. Like right now, I'm doing a live, I'm having a conversation with you guys. If you guys want to send me some money, okay, you just put a super like right there, okay? You comment, you click a super like, and that goes directly money for me. So while I'm live, right, you can comment, you can do super live. But the most important thing, man, forget about all that, that's my thing, is right here. Watch ads, okay, from your shorts and from your videos. Right now, that sounds like an alien language to you. Okay, ads, all right, ads, that's your future. Okay, ads, what that is, they place ads on your videos. YouTube, okay, place advertisements on your videos. All these companies that pay for the advertisements, right? So all these companies that pay for advertisements, they come and they YouTube select them and they put on your videos. So basically, you see, when you see a commercial and then you click skip, oh, that's money right there, man. Yeah, that's money right there. Now, every single person, like you say, 1,000 viewers, you got 1,000 viewers, depending of the people that came and they watch your video and they saw the commercials that YouTube actually place it on your videos. And when you get better, you're gonna be able to place your own promotions too, so you can put promotions on your videos. Okay, so yeah, then let's say so, then when they watch these promotions, YouTube will automatically pay you. They have the CPM, okay, and the RPM. Okay, those are two things that you gotta know. The CPM is the RPM. The both of them, one is the money that they pay YouTube, okay? And then the money that they pay YouTube for your advertising. That's one. And the second one is the money that YouTube actually pay you for the advertisement. Meaning, let me be honest with you. If your video don't have a good quality, you do like a video with iPhone 1, okay? And then the sound is all messed up. So YouTube is gonna put the engine on that. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah. They're gonna put the engine on that to actually enhance your video. So if they do that, if they actually enhance your video, they're gonna take the majority of cut. Okay, that goes to the CPM and RPM stuff. So basically, if you have a bad quality of video, YouTube will take most of the cut. So remember, if they pay you $1, for example, after thousand viewers, right? YouTube pay they pay the advertisers pay $1 to YouTube. So they're gonna pay YouTube $1, okay? But then YouTube can pay you only 10 cents. Makes sense, right? Because they're gonna say that okay, they enhance your video and therefore this is the cost. But if you already have a good video, boom, all right, like iPhone what 16 or whatever, boom. And if you have a good camera, a good sound as well, usually people do with the microphones. They put a microphone on and then boom, you have a microphone. So you have a good video and you have a good sound. That already, okay, eliminates YouTube to taking that money from you. So whatever the advertisers will pay YouTube, you already gonna take the better cut. So the dollar, sometimes YouTube might only take like 10 cents and you stay with 90 cents, okay? That's the first example of how YouTube pay. And so they do that also on shorts, okay? So when you put your shorts is like reels, guys, okay? You need to have your shorts in order to get people to know your page, because nobody really gonna see your page unless they see your short. Yeah, some people come to your page, but come on, you already know the shorts is what get people to your page, and then the videos, the content that you already have there, or the lives already recorded, this is basically what people, okay, are gonna to see when they come to your page via shorts. Okay, now first let me do a quiz right now. The first one. First, what you do, guys? You download the YouTube Studios. Okay, that's the first thing. You download YouTube Studios. That's the first. So after you downloading YouTube Studios, oh, sorry about that. Yeah, there's a party at the house. All right, I'm gonna be short, guys. After you downloading YouTube Studios, okay. After see studio, all right, so that's YouTube Studio. After you downloading YouTube Studios, you wanna basically complete your this right here. You wanna complete, let me go for the hard one, your 4,000 hours, okay, of people watching you, and then you wanna have minimal 1,000 subscribers. When you pass 1,000 subscribers, a lockdown, okay? So you have your 4,000 hours of people watching your content, you know what I'm saying? 4,000 hours, people been watching your content, and then you good to go, my people, okay? So you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Sometimes they talk about 10 million on the show, shorts, viewers, but don't worry about that. Just go for the 4,000 hours, okay? And the 1,000 subscribers, and then now you want to pick up the content. That's the best part. Content is whatever you do. Listen, I'm a dancer, right? So what I do, I dance. But that don't mean that my content is better than other people content, all right? The next video, I will actually talk to you about what you can basically do with your content, okay? So right now, it was just a pretty recap on what you want to do. This, I want you to listen to this. This live right here of today, what we cover, in order for you to be a YouTuber, you need to do the first thing ever, download the YouTube Studio app. As soon as you download the YouTube Studio app, you're gonna be Gucci, okay? So you already know where you at, because if you don't know where you at, you cannot even start, because you don't know where to walk, okay? After you downloading the Studio app, okay, you wanna complete your 4,000 hours, okay? Complete your 4,000 hours. As you completing your 4,000 hours, you gotta collect also 1,000 subscribers, okay? How, Manuel, how, Dr. Kizomba, how do I complete my 4,000 hours? Okay, great. How do you complete your 4,000 hours? With your content, okay? Don't copy other people content. Get your own content, okay? Content, we're gonna talk about content on the next episode, okay? This is free free jewels, okay? No bulls, no bias, okay? How to become a YouTuber, okay? So now, when you get to your content, we're gonna find out what you can do with your content, and then we're gonna spice everything. My name is Dr. Kizomba, okay? Manuel dos Santos. I'm from Montreal, Angolan, African, original born. My page, currently, I got like 5 pages, but don't worry about that. My page right now is 275 subscribers right here, my people. All right. And currently, YouTube already, just from this page, already pay me, guys, because you gotta kill the bull, you know what I'm saying? You gotta talk about prices. YouTube currently, I'm gonna show you. Currently, the lifetime pay me over $22,000. Okay, right here you guys can see too. All right, I started to get paid in August of 2022. All right, and now I am on $22,000 so far. You can do it, I can do it, and everybody can do it. Okay, this was your first video. I hope you appreciate. Now get your YouTube studio, complete those 4,000 hours, get your 1,000 subscribers, and see you there. Okay, the next episode we're gonna talk about how am I gonna get my own content, Manuel? Give me some ideas of having my original content, and then I can help you out with that, okay? Thank you so much, my people. It's your boy, Dr. Kizomba. Kudos, muchas gracias. Wepa, wepa, mi gente. Oh.